Hello, I am Dr. Naresh Trehan, Chief Cardiac Surgeon, Chairman and Managing Director of Medanta the Medicity. Today I want to talk to you about the situation our country is going through at the hands of COVID-19. It is now a long 7 to 8 months that we have been suffering at the hands of this virus. We have been through a very intense lockdown in which there was huge disruption, there was a lot of distress at all levels, and now we have gradually unlocked from that state. But as we unlock, there is movement, and also what we see, the numbers of cases being reported on a daily basis has gone up hugely. This was to happen, but we don't want to let it happen. Our frontline workers have done a great job. They have kept the mortality very low. Our recovery rate has been very high, and at the risk of their own lives, they have been able to keep the country going so that people can earn their livelihood back, they can be functional again. But at the same time, we must understand that although the lockdown is gone, opening up is happening, the virus is still around. We are now in the middle of the festive season. Diwali is around the corner, there's going to be a lot of movement, there will be shopping sprees, there will be festivities, and there will be congregation of people much more so than in the last few months. We must remember that this is a highly dangerous period for us, because if we let down our guard, we will be suffering hugely with the number of infections, so much so that we may be straining the medical system so badly that we may not have any beds left. This is our main concern at the moment. So I would like to advise very strongly that we know what it takes to keep the virus at bay. We know the 3 rules, we know the 3 mantras. We just need to practice them, especially now, because now there is going to be a lot of movement and people will be coming together. So masking, distancing, and hand hygiene still remain the only weapon we have against our fight with this deadly virus. Till vaccine comes, which is maybe a few months away, we still have to be on our guard, because if we let down our guard, the infection will spread. We will not even be victims ourselves, we will victimize our parents, our children. So all of you should then be registering the fact that this vulnerable period also asks for extraordinary measures by every individual. So, not for a moment that we don't want you to enjoy the festivities, but enjoy them with caution. As I said earlier, just never let the 3 mantras go out of your mind. On the other hand, I want to talk about United Way. United Way being a voluntary body, international body, which has done a tremendous job in India also. They have helped throughout this COVID period. It have assisted the government. I know of establishing testing labs, providing PPEs, providing masks. And having done that throughout, they have created a platform for million pledges. The million pledges are related to celebrating the festivities with responsibility. Again, responsibilities being all those 3 things that we talked about. I would encourage you and request you to be one of them, to pledge that you will participate in festivities responsibly. Thank you very much.